Let's use the download form to do some maintenance on existing customers. Here I want to download customers based in Canada. We have with certain sales rep. If I don't know his full name, I can just put the beginning and a wildcard. Then select my sales rep and download. Then here I would like to update the sales rep with a new one. I can put the new name in the default value row number 10, and erase the other ones. Here I will put the site use action update, and then I will upload all. Here it is, I updated 40 sales rep in a few seconds.